tell you, a few weeks ago, we told you what to ask yourself before, you know, you cohabitate with your partner. But before you reach that level, you may be thinking of giving them a key to your place instead.
Harry's laughing.
So, let's tell you what to consider. So I'm going to tell you what's on the blog. Then we'll tell you what we think you should consider. And this is from Sam Musing at WordPress. Right. So what is Sam Musing saying?
Saying that she has given keys to one man in her entire life under the following conditions. They were in a long distance situation, and there were times when he came into town while she was still at work. She really trusted him, and she wanted him to know without a shadow of a doubt that no matter what, he could trust her. But she'll never make that mistake again, she says. If you are not engaged, if we're not married, no keys. The only exception would be if we live together, and I mean both of our names would have to be on the lease or the deed. Chef, did you write this? Chef, you wrote this? Chef said if she want to pay a mortgage, she can get the key, of course.
That's why I'm going to live by myself till them wheel him out.
Dating and relationship coach Lindsay Chrysler says about trading keys with your significant other, you need to know the following things. Both of you feel positive about discussing your future together, meaning you see a future together. You feel safe in each other's presence. It's a sign that you are both looking forward to more, right? In your relationship. But again, Dales?
If you live alone, the choice to give your significant other keys is entirely up to you. But if you have other roommates, that changes things.
Right.
I want to pause at this point. And at your place alone. So, no matter, first of all, Lord, bite my tongue. Look, ladies, no, but I love my ladies dearly, but me don't know why would I take butter rub it pampus mouth. So if I have a female roommate and I'm not going to be there, why would I give
Cause you trust him, girl. You trust him. You know
I trust him. I just don't trust the devil.
You know he only got eyes for you.
I know that.
And if she be coming out
but
to
I
him,
don't trust the devil.
He's gonna say, girl.
No, she be coming on to him. Him not come on to she too.
I love Dahlia. I don't want you.
I don't think so.
That's what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna say I love Dahlia and she not gonna know.
No. That's why you install a camera in your place.
No,
anyway,
sir.
that's another girl talk.
No, don't do it. Men, I wouldn't encourage you either. If you're sharing space with another male person, to give, no.
And it's not only that, it's just not conducive. Because you have a roommate, you can't have, I don't know.
Because
it just seems like a crowd.
It's pretty strange if you always there at work and she always a look for you when you're there at work.
Finally, just because you offer a key to your boyfriend or girlfriend, do not expect that you will get their key in return. It don't work like that. According to some of the men on our set, if you have to ask your significant other for a key, that's a problem.
I agree. And I also agree that if me not get your key, me not giving you my own either.
But if you get his, will you give him yours as a rule?
If I get his?
Yeah.
I think if I get his, we would have had to have a discussion about it. About us exchanging keys. No, it would be about us exchanging keys.
Would you raise a discussion about exchanging keys?
I think it depends. So like if it's a situation where he's always having to go there, I'm always having to go by him. And we always have to say, I need to go. Or as one of my colleagues put it, I mean, now I'm going to say, oh, the lady, who, because when we don't talk, whoever did lock up in our house, know she. Him say, if you're sleeping in there, call him, he will come and let you out.
Of the prison.
He will come let you out.
So if you need counseling.
And then if you need to drop your bus stop, him drop your bus stop. No, you're either a prisoner or you is a pit bull. It's one of the two. But you're not a partner.
Or a chihuahua.
Choose a P. Choose a P.
Yeah,
you're either a partner, a prisoner, or a pit bull. So if you know it's none, pick one. Pick a side. But if you tell me, say, you will come let me out.
What do you mean? What is wrong with that?
So if there's an emergency inside of the home, I'm stuck in your home.
Benji, can you bring me a hand mic so I can move? I want to talk to Chef. Go on now.
I must stay out of the gate. Go by the gate. So the house will be open if there's an emergency. I can go through the back.
Or the window, even if you're on the 3rd floor.
You know, if I go through the back, I go and leave a nice note around the tell the thief set open.
No.
He can't move out everything. The man said, "I can't let me out."
I think he's dead serious too. That's the scary
I think he's dead serious as well, which is why I told him in 3 years' time, I'm going to be in here balling, saying he's a single man. Yeah. And him don't know him, do make no woman no want him.
I agree though. If you have to ask somebody, can I have your key? Even though it's a difficult discussion to have, you don't really know who should raise it. But maybe there's a moment when you in your relationship where you come to like there's a mutual feeling of, you know, this is getting serious.
If I'm always over there and you're always by me, and you're the level of comfort that I'm cooking by a place, I'm not going to go there and see it dirty and I'm not clean it.
Why?
But I'm not clean a place and I have to say, me can't come clean today.
That's another thing one of the gentlemen in here said. If you're coming to my house, you have to be prepared to clean it. I don't know who these tough turbid men are, but what?
When I'm coming and you're there, then I clean.
So why you don't clean it? Why you don't clean? You're looking for a helper, a household worker, sir? What is? But you go home. You have the mic?
Yes.
Give me the microphone.
So you can't give me a key, but I must clean your house? No. I would have let us some courage in there.
Let's see how brave. This is the thing, Delia Harris. These are the issues we have in life, right? The men who have a bag of mouth when the camera is not. I say, where's the lights? I go to talk to Chef who had the most talk this morning, and Chef is running out of the room. Chef, you don't want to talk to me? So can I talk to you now?
I'm not the host.
You're not the host. Yeah, but everybody knows our entire team is a part of this show. You know, we get lauded together, we get cursed together.
Ladies and gentlemen, what that tells you is that despite his protest, about 3 women have a key for Sheffield house. That's really what it is telling you. When you see him take off a while ago. Next week?
I think Chef just got in a bag of trouble.
He says he'll talk next week. In the meantime, the 3 key them where the woman them have. Oh, you mean, you can speak for Sheffield Key? Why he can? He can speak for your key?
I won't even tell you what Marvin has said. I mean, I'm asking next week that for Girl Talk, we can rove the studio. But gentlemen, you have to be able to speak. You have to be as vocal as you are. Jody? Look at Jody on here. Jody, wait. You have to be as vocal as you are off air. When
Harold, that's why Harold is in a solid relationship.
Did you hear what Harold said?
Harold give up him key long time, man. He did. Harold give up him key. So she can take her time. If she have a little time, she can go and she can make the place comfortable. Guys, if you're gonna invite women to your place, it must be comfortable. So if she can come and assist to make it comfortable.
Chef say you must.
I'm not gonna invite me to your house and water in my fridge. Come here, go thirsty.
Clean the dirty house.
So if I can bring water.
Bring water?
Buy your water and care.
I'm to buy my water and bring it come. Marvin, I'm beginning to wonder, do they let you out of GP every day and you go back in?
My word.
Because that don't sound like you live in a house. That sound like a prison you live.
If you come, we are come with your 2 sauce hand.
If I'm coming to your house, am I coming with my 2 hands?
Can you guys hear
asking me?
Chef says the water that's there is for him because he lives alone. So if you're coming, bring your own food and drinks, your own change of clothes. Walk with a candle just in case they don't want you to turn on the light. And so on and so. Just pack a survival kit. Carry 1 tent, because you might have to pitch it, then why you're not in bed. I don't really. They're beyond redemption.
They're not beyond redemption, you know. Loneliness has a way of changing people's state of mind. In another year or so, when him turn to Marvin and say, you make me not nobody because you tell me I'm not going to make woman come on my yard. And Marvin said, it's going to be all good, ladies. It's going to be all good.
Lonely won't leave them alone.
Lonely will not, trust me. Yes. Anyway, No one had to before and get people in a key, because if once you get the key, retrieving the key, keep that in mind.
Unless you change the
If
lock.
I give you this key, if I give you this key and something happens and I need to get the key back, watch.
Changing the locks. All right, Harold says changing the locks is next week's topic. You got it, Harold.
All right,
good
Harold.
to go. Still to come, hurricane preparation tips. But first, news. Raquel, pray for them all.
Them don't need no prayer.
Pray for them, Raquel. You hear them, Raquel? Jesus Christ. Go on, take it,
Mr. Make Sheffield, make Marvin boast him. Yes, Harold.
You are the prisoner. That is your piece.